Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Jeet Ki Pathshala. So today we are going to cover a very important topic from grammar, and that is rules of determiners. Here I will explain the rules of determiners. So let's begin. At first we will see the rules of A. Before that, I just want to tell you that determiners are of two types. One is specific determiners and other one is general determiners. Here today in this video, we will see the rules of A and the, where A and an are general determiners and the is a specific determiners. At first, we will see the rules of A. Number one, A is used before a singular and countable noun with consonant sound. So as we all know, there are 26 letters in English alphabet where 5 are vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining letters are all consonant. So here the first rule of A is that it is used before a singular noun and it should be countable. But just remember that the sound of that word should be consonant. For example, a boy, a cat, a man. The first letter of the boy is B. The sound is consonant. Cat, C, is a consonant letter and also the sound is consonant. Man, M, is a consonant and the sound also is a consonant. Here, in this way, A is used before a singular and countable noun with consonant sound. Number two, if the first letter of a word is consonant, A is used. So the first and the second rule are similar. Just we should remember that A is used before the word where the first letter is a consonant and also the sound is a consonant. For example, a book, a pencil, etc. Number 3. Though N is used in front of a vowel, if the vowel is pronounced as U or U, then A is used. As we will come across the rules of N, where we will learn that N is used in front of a vowel sound which starts with A, E, I, O, U. But if the vowel is pronounced as U, but when you will see that a word starts with a vowel and its pronunciation is like U, then we should use A, not N. For example, a university, a unity, etc. Number 4. If the pronunciation of a vowel O is like wa, then A is used. Now, as we all know that O is vowel, but when we pronounce a word which starts with O like wa, then we use A, not an. Okay? For example, a one-eyed man, a 1 rupee note, etc. Now let's see the rules of an here. Number 1. An is used in front of a vowel. This is a very simple rule that we should remember, that an is used in front of a word that starts with vowel. But just remember, if the pronunciation is like U, then we do not use an, we use a. For example, an elephant, an umbrella. Number 2, an is used in front of silent H if its pronunciation is that of a vowel. So now, an is used in front of H, but remember where the H is silent and the pronunciation is like vowel sound, then we use an. For example, an hour, an honest man, etc. Number 3, an is used before a vowel sounding consonant or abbreviation. It means that the letter is consonant, but when we pronounce it, it sounds like vowel. That is what vowel sounding consonant, or you can say abbreviation. So in that case also we use an. For example, an MLA, So remember, whenever we pronounce MLA, when we say M, as we all know, M is a consonant, but when we pronounce M, A comes first. That means it is a vowel sounding consonant. So in that case, we use N. Now let's see the rules of the or the. So the is used before the names of number 1, sea, ocean, rivers. The is used before the name of the sea, ocean and river. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Ganga, the Yamuna, etc. Number 2, the holy books. If we are talking about any holy books, we use the. For example, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Mahabharata, etc. Number 3, newspaper. Before the name of the newspaper, we use the. For example, the Assam Tribune, the Sentinel, the Hindustan Times, etc. Number 4, mountain. Before the name of the mountain, we use the. For example, the Mount Everest, the Himalaya, etc. Number 5, titles and surnames. Before the name of the titles and surnames, we use the. Example, the doctor, the Mr., the king, etc. Before the name of the country, we use the. For example, the India, the Pakistan, etc. But this is an optional. Not in every cases we use the before the name of a country. It depends upon the sentence, which we will discuss later on when we will be solving the questions from determiners. Number 7, superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we use the. For example, the best, the most beautiful, etc. Number 8, before the noun which is only one, and before the noun which is only one in this entire world, we use the. For example, the earth, the sun, the moon, etc. And at last, number 9, when referring to a particular thing or person, and when we are actually talking about a particular thing or a particular person, or you can say some important thing, in that case we use the. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.